If you started investing just $5 a day at age 25, you'd have $1.1 million by retirement. But 78% of Americans never do this, and it costs them an average of $683,000 in lost wealth. Rich people think differently about money, focusing on long-term investments. They understand compound interest and use it to their advantage. For example, Warren Buffett's investment in Coca-Cola has returned over 1,000% since 1988. This mindset shift can make a significant difference in one's financial life. Wealthy individuals prioritize needs over wants, living below their means. Thomas J. Stanley's book, The Millionaire Next Door, highlights this concept, showing how millionaires often drive used cars and live in modest homes. This mindset allows them to allocate more resources towards investments and savings. For instance, if you save $500 per month, you'll have $6,000 in a year, which can be invested in a diversified portfolio. By adopting this habit, you can build wealth over time. Rich people also think differently about debt, avoiding high-interest loans and credit cards. They understand that debt can be a significant obstacle to building wealth. For example, if you have a credit card balance of $2,000 with an interest rate of 20%, you'll pay $400 in interest per year. By paying off debt and avoiding new loans, you can free up more money for investments. Consider consolidating debt into lower-interest loans or balance transfer credit cards. Investing in oneself is another key aspect of the wealthy mindset. This can include pursuing higher education, attending seminars, or reading books on personal finance. For instance, Warren Buffett has said that he reads over 500 pages per day, which has helped him develop his investment acumen. By investing in yourself, you can increase your earning potential and make more informed investment decisions. Consider allocating 10% of your income towards personal development. Wealthy individuals often have a long-term perspective, focusing on decades rather than days or months. This allows them to ride out market fluctuations and avoid making impulsive investment decisions. For example, the S&P 500 has returned over 10% per year on average since its inception, but it has also experienced significant downturns. By taking a long-term view, you can smooth out market volatility and increase your chances of success. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio with a time horizon of at least 5 years. The wealthy also understand the importance of diversification, spreading their investments across different asset classes. This can include stocks, bonds, real estate, and other alternative investments. For example, a portfolio with 60% stocks and 40% bonds has historically provided a good balance between risk and return. By diversifying your investments, you can reduce risk and increase potential returns. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan. Wealthy individuals often have a tax-efficient investment strategy, minimizing their tax liability through smart investment choices. For example, tax loss harvesting can help reduce capital gains taxes by offsetting gains with losses. By taking a tax-efficient approach, you can keep more of your investment returns. Consider consulting with a tax professional to optimize your investment strategy. The wealthy mindset also emphasizes the importance of giving back, philanthropy, and charitable donations. Giving to others can actually increase one's sense of wealth and happiness. For example, Warren Buffett has pledged to give away the majority of his wealth during his lifetime and beyond. By incorporating giving into your financial plan, you can create a more fulfilling life. Consider donating 5% of your income to charitable causes. Wealthy individuals often have a strong network of mentors, advisors, and peers who support and guide them. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial goals. For example, joining a financial networking group or finding a mentor can provide valuable insights and connections. By building a strong network, you can accelerate your financial progress. Rich people think differently about risk, taking calculated risks to achieve their financial goals. This can include investing in the stock market, starting a business, or pursuing alternative investments. For example, Elon Musk has taken significant risks to build his companies, including Tesla and SpaceX. By taking calculated risks, you can increase your potential returns and achieve financial success. Consider allocating 10% of your portfolio to high-risk, high-reward investments. Wealthy individuals often prioritize their financial education, continuously learning about personal finance and investing. This can include reading books, attending seminars, and taking online courses. For example, Warren Buffett has said that he spends over 80% of his time reading and learning. By prioritizing your financial education, you can make more informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. Consider allocating 5 hours per week to financial learning. The wealthy mindset emphasizes the importance of financial discipline, avoiding get-rich-quick schemes and staying focused on long-term goals. This can include creating a budget, tracking expenses, and avoiding debt. For example, Thomas J. Stanley's book, The Millionaire Next Door, highlights the importance of living below one's means. By maintaining financial discipline, you can build wealth over time. Consider using the 50-30-20 rule to allocate your income. Wealthy individuals often have a clear sense of purpose and alignment with their financial goals. This can include identifying your values, creating a mission statement, and prioritizing your goals. For example, Warren Buffett has said that his goal is to be remembered as a great investor and philanthropist. By clarifying your purpose and goals, you can create a more fulfilling life and achieve financial success. Consider writing down your values and mission statement. Rich people think differently about time, focusing on high-leverage activities that generate the most value. This can include outsourcing tasks, delegating responsibilities, and prioritizing high-impact activities. For example, Elon Musk has said that he works over 100 hours per week, but focuses on the most important tasks. By optimizing your time management, you can increase your productivity and achieve your financial goals. Consider using the Pareto principle to prioritize your tasks. Wealthy individuals often have a strong sense of resilience and adaptability, bouncing back from setbacks and adjusting to changing circumstances. This can include developing a growth mindset, learning from failures, and staying flexible. For example, Thomas J. Stanley's book, The Millionaire Next Door, highlights the importance of resilience in achieving financial success. By developing resilience and adaptability, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your financial goals. Consider practicing mindfulness and self-reflection. The wealthy mindset emphasizes the importance of gratitude and appreciation, focusing on the things that truly matter in life. This can include practicing mindfulness, expressing gratitude, and cultivating positive relationships. For example, Warren Buffett has said that he is grateful for his health, family, and friends. By prioritizing gratitude and appreciation, you can create a more fulfilling life and achieve financial success. Consider writing down 3 things you are grateful for each day. Wealthy individuals often have a strong sense of community and social responsibility, giving back to their communities and supporting worthy causes. This can include volunteering, donating to charity, and participating in local events. For example, Bill Gates has donated billions of dollars to charitable causes through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. By giving back to your community, you can create a more positive impact and achieve financial success. Consider volunteering 10 hours per month. Rich people think differently about legacy, focusing on the impact they want to leave on the world. This can include creating a lasting legacy, building a successful business, or making a positive difference in their community. For example, Warren Buffett has said that he wants to be remembered as a great investor and philanthropist. By thinking about your legacy, you can create a more fulfilling life and achieve financial success. Consider writing down your legacy statement. Wealthy individuals often have a strong sense of accountability and personal responsibility, taking ownership of their financial decisions and actions. This can include tracking expenses, creating a budget, and avoiding debt. For example, Thomas J. Stanley's book, The Millionaire Next Door, highlights the importance of personal responsibility in achieving financial success. By taking ownership of your finances, you can build wealth over time. Consider using a budgeting app to track your expenses. The wealthy mindset emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement, staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies in personal finance and investing. This can include attending seminars, reading books, and taking online courses. For example, Warren Buffett has said that he spends over 80% of his time reading and learning. By prioritizing continuous learning, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve financial success. Consider allocating 10% of your income to education and self-improvement.